Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Grandpa Burch here with another book. This one is Pete the Cat and the Supercool Science Fair. It's by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat and the Supercool Science Fair. Oh, what are we going to be doing? Pete cannot wait for Friday. His school is having a science fair. Oh, there's Friday up there. It's on the calendar. He's still in his pajamas. There's one of his friends there. Pete has never been a scientist. Now he could try it out. There's a school bus, and there's the school. Can you see the school? Pete's teacher tells his students they'll do experiments in a group. There's the teacher, and there's Pete's friends. There's Pete. Pete is in a group with Callie, Gus, and Squirrel. Our experiment's going to be groovy, says Pete. What should we do? What kind of experiment would you do? Let's build a mini submarine, says Callie. She's dreaming up a submarine up here. Or grow a giant tree, says Squirrel. He wants a tree to hide his acorns in. Or invent an invisible guitar, says Pete. Why don't we make a volcano, asks Gus. Whoa, they all said. Volcanoes are awesome. The group plans the experiment at Pete's house. His mom brings them snacks. There's Pete's mom, and she has some snacks, and there's Gus, and there's a squirrel over there. Would any scientist like a cookie, she asks. They all raise their hand. Hey, the cookies are warm and groovy, says Pete. The scientists check the big book of experiments for materials they need: glue, water, newspaper, paint, and plastic bottles for the volcano. They need vinegar, baking soda, liquid dish soap, and a secret ingredient for the lava. I wonder what the secret ingredient is. See, they're checking the book to see what it's going to take. Pete and Gus mix the glue in the water. Squirrel and Callie tear the newspaper into strips. They cover the plastic bottle with glue and paper. It looks like a sticky white volcano. Look at that. Oh no, the paint in the brown bottle is blue. What are we going to do? Asked Callie. They can't find brown paint anywhere. In the brown bottle, it's blue. Oh boy, what are they going to do? What are they going to do? I don't know. Hey, that's pretty cool, says Pete. Maybe it's okay that we have a blue volcano. We'll be the only group with a blue volcano, says Squirrel. Let's test the lava so we know the volcano will erupt